Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you are enjoying my video. So today I'm going to make apple banana and oats pancake. So let's start. I have already taken all these things to make the video shorter. So this is a banana, apple. Today I didn't steam the apple and oats. So a small pinch of cinnamon. There is cinnamon. I'm using the formula milk. I forget egg. So this is egg. So the paste is ready. Now we will start the pancake. So the paste is complete ready for the apple banana or pancake. So the pancake are ready. Apple, banana and oats pancake. Roshni, do you like it? Roshni? Roshni, do you like it? Like it? Yes, she like it. Ooh.